Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a unicorn donut easy step by step. So first step is you're going to want to take your pencil and your paper, and you're going to take something that has donut shape, let's say that. So you're going to put it in the middle of the page, and you're going to just trace the whole time. Save this. Keep going to my side. And then when you're done, lift it up and you have a perfect donut shape. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a little circle in the middle of it. So for that, you can maybe trust yourself and you can make it how big you want. I'm just going to make it like this. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah. And then now what we're going to be doing is here you're going to do the ear. You're going to go out, then up, then out, then like this. Like that. So then it looks like that. Then you're going to do the same on the other ear side. This one is a little bit more like this. And then you're going to want to make the horn which goes up, turns, goes back down, and you make a line like this. Then you can make the hair. The hair goes from here, goes down, back up, it curls here, it curls up, then go back all the way up. Then you're going to want to make the face, and by making it here you're going to put one eye like this, and you're going to go like putting and putting. Then you're going to want to make the mouth, which is like this. Make a nice perfect circle shape and put a little smile in it. Then you're going to want to do the other eye, but then open, so you'd make a circle here. Make eyelashes. Then what you're going to want to do is make one circle here, another circle here. So guys, I a little bit went too fast. So what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to make little spots on the unicorn's hair, so then it will look like sprinkles. And then you would want to underline this all blue. Oh yeah, and if I didn't tell you, the colors that we need is yellow, blue, pink, purple, and a black marker. It can be fine. So what we're going to start off is with blue, and we're going to be highlighting this entire side. We'll highlight this side, and then also here where the hair is of the unicorn, and you're going to keep doing that until you connect back to here. So it's like you're going around the whole entire unicorn, and yeah, so basically like this and like this. So now you're connected, and also around the opening of the donut you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna keep doing that until all of this is done. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to color this blue like this, and then this. And this. And this. Okay, so now we've colored everything that needs to be blue. Now we're gonna go to the next color, which is yellow, because yellow is really simple. All we have to color is the little mouth of the unicorn. And I do it a little bit quicker, but yeah, you don't have to. You can take your time as long as you need, but not too long. And if you can't keep up, then you can always stop the video, or yeah. Okay, now we're gonna take the purple, and we're gonna color all of the hair, really light purple, so don't push a lot, just really light purple, but don't color in like the little sprinkles. If you do a little bit, that's totally fine. If you want to color them, that's up to you. So yeah, if you want to color them, it's up to you. If you don't, you don't really have to, but I'm gonna leave them white because it looks nice. So I'm just gonna color all this in, color that. You might see that I'm going over the sprinkles, but I'm going over the sprinkles really light, so then it looks like this, really nice light purple. Okay, and now what color we're gonna take is pink. And all of these white spaces, you see, we're gonna actually color pink. So this space, this space, this space, this space is the only thing that has to be pink. So yeah, and the ear. Okay, and now we're gonna use the black marker and we're gonna color all of it like with the black marker. So we're gonna just do this and we're gonna make a line like here, so then it looks like the unicorn has this one. And we're gonna make a line here, and all the lines that you see you're gonna put in black pen. And for the circle, you have to be really careful because, yeah, it's like, yeah, really fragile. So, yeah, keep doing it. And we're just gonna keep it. Oh, yeah, and before I have to remember the main thing that you have to do is the mouse with the unicorn and the smile. And also the eye that we made, we're gonna have to do the same and we're gonna have to color it in black so then those two circles remain white like this. And we're gonna make the eyelashes. We have the eyelashes. Now we're gonna make the circle. Okay, there we go. And then still the ear. And yeah, that's it. And if you still want to do it, then yeah. And these are the color schemes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys can tune in next time.